going to do uh, my channel tour. I have not done before, but I have just some knowledge how the channel performs and what it is going on. So this is my YouTube studio, new YouTube studio, which I don't find so much convenient. The previous one, the legacy one, was a nice one. So here you can see my insights. Here I am having about 124 subscribers and then minutes watched and views and hours total what that is 79.5. So these are some of the insights which I am having, and we will just get back to analytics. Now in this analytics section, here you can see that my just channel just always gets around 280 or something views, which is around 284 right now, and these are 9 subscribers plus subscribers. Now here when I see in the reach section, my impressions got about 11,000 impressions, and the click through rate is very much less. It is just 1.7%, 29% less. Views are up 26%, and unique viewers are 217. So I am grateful. And here you can see that my YouTube recommended content is very low. It is just 1.6%, and so that I need to increase anyhow, right? And previously, I have just known that in demographic sections, if you see, uh, my now mostly the my audience is just from India right now. I just recently saw that about 35% traffic now just comes from India. Before I was not aware, it was in different parts of the world. See, here I am here you will be able to see how many people are coming from different sections. Though I don't know the age group, what is the age group of my audience, but here I can see clearly that about most of the viewers are now from India, so it's great. So see, these are some of the my uh, statistics which you can see. YouTube search is maximum 56.8. I am not able to see age and all that is, I don't know, it is not yet appearing. Gender is also I am not able to see, right? So here you can see all the details. This is the first time I am sharing this type of video. I have not done any video before. So now another thing which one can see is my watch time from subscribers. Not subscribe is very high, 90.7%, and subscribe is just 9.3. Well, it happens, and so these are some of the insights. You can see unique viewer is 217. These are 9 plus subscribers. In comment section also I have received great comments. I love when people respond to my video. It's really great. I come to know where are my mistakes and what I need to improve. Though I don't much focus on the subscribers and views thing, right? I just do my stuff, right? Inspire people and make great content. That's what this channel is about, right? So these were some of the insights. And in the video section, I would like to inform you that I have made around 110 or plus videos. Right, so these are some of my videos. These are all video sections. Right. Live stream is also there, right? So I thought that I need to share with my viewers what it is going on in demographics. Still, I am not able to see what type of people are watching my content and where the content is seen for my audience. I don't know anything. And in the playlists also you can see all the playlists which I have just created. So these are all the list of playlists: audiobooks, motivation, coronavirus, meditation, music, become your greatest version, interviews, book recommendation, prosperity affirmations, right? So these are just some of my stuff, right? I hope you enjoy this type of video, right? Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification to receive the regular dose of positivity. Thank you.